Ever wondered what you would eat if you were lost in the jungle? Welcome to the intriguing world of survival cooking. This isn't about gourmet meals but about harnessing your instincts, your knowledge, and the resources around you to sustain life in the wild. This video will explore how to identify edible food, simple yet effective cooking techniques, and safety tips to remember. Cooking in survival situations is more than just about satisfying hunger, it's about staying alive. Understanding survival cooking can be a game changer when you're out in the wild. First things first, identifying what's edible. Navigating the wild is like stepping into a vast, unregulated grocery store. You'll find a panoply of plants and fruits, but not all are safe to consume. Here are some basic guidelines. Look for plants with bright, vibrant colors. These are typically safe to eat, but be wary of plants that exude milky sap when broken, as these are often poisonous. Fruits should be firm, not mushy or discolored. But don't forget about the potential dangers lurking under those lush leaves. Some plants can be poisonous and cause severe symptoms if ingested. So it's crucial to have knowledge of the local flora, or carry a guidebook with you. Moving on to another vital source of food. Insects. Yes, you heard that right. Insects are rich in protein and can be a lifesaver when other food sources are scarce. Remember, when in doubt, leave it out. It's better to be safe than sorry. Now that we have our food, it's time to cook. Fire is our first essential. We can create one using a simple flint and steel or even a pair of glasses to focus sunlight. Once we've got our fire roaring, let's talk about how to use it. Roasting is a straightforward method. Skewer your catch or forage onto a stick and hold it over the fire, rotating it regularly to ensure even cooking. If you're lucky enough to have a pot, boiling is a great option. Fill the pot with water, add your ingredients, and let it simmer over the fire. This method is perfect for making soups or stews. Lastly, there's steaming. Dig a hole, place heated rocks at the bottom, add your food and cover it with leaves. The heat from the rocks will create steam, cooking your food and keeping it moist. And there you have it, a meal cooked in the heart of the jungle. So, to recap, we've journeyed through the basics of survival cooking. We've learned how to identify edible food in the wild, from fruits to roots and even insects. We've mastered the art of starting a fire, the core of any good outdoor meal. And we've explored various cooking techniques, proving that even in the wilderness, gourmet is possible. Survival cooking isn't just about feeding yourself, it's about understanding your environment and using it to your advantage.